Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it would seem the Australian dollar is once again attempting to re-establish its bullish bias after earlier rejecting on Tuesday the top side of the range around 72, crushed through the 60-day moving average, but now is looking slightly more positive into the European Open. I still anticipate that any moves up towards 71.80 as a potential rejection area. Like before, from the outside range, they could see another downturn and look back towards the support region around the lower side of the range at 71. Still, let's see how the market plays into the European session and whether or not the market can sustain, because it's still assessed that the greenback can still stage a recovery. As we can see here, the euro is still attempting to stage another recovery, but even though it did reject the area around 118.10. From a technical point, we haven't fully broken down, and as you can see, the RSI is holding above the midway point. Until we get a clear break of this level, we should not rule out at least one more test to the upside. But again, I do anticipate the bears will continue to guard this region. And if we do see a rejection from 118.10, then I'm looking back towards this support region, somewhere around 116.80 to about 117.10. Finally, dollar yen has broken through the trend line around 105.90 figure. A little, or should I say, lack of evidence to support the rally, though, and does question whether or not the break above or around that 106 is sustainable. Let's see into the European session. I still feel from the close of this period that in Asia that could see a retest of this support that comes in roughly around 105.60. Let's see if it can take it lower. The pound is also attempting to re-establish its bullish bias after the recent rejection from 130 figure 20 and posted an outside range day. I still feel from the lack of evidence when it comes to the RSI to support a bullish case, could see the market test lower, although the MACD is slightly holding a positive outlook. So therefore could see just one more step up, but again a rejection from the top side. With the euro yen looking like it's attempting to recover also in this bearish outside range day, but I do feel from the lack of evidence to support the upside case from the RSI, although the MACD is slightly holding a positive signal. Let's see if we get another rejection. Finishing off with gold, well, the market took another tumble overnight, but still respecting the level around 1,869.72. As you can see here, we are getting a bit of pressure now that we're underneath the midway point and the MACD slipping underneath the zero axis. I would, at this point, dismiss any down test at least towards 1,850. So let's see if we get a bounce like previous 3.5 times that we saw back here in September. Wrapping up with oil, it is still a little bit weak. Reason behind that, there was no follow through to the upside. The MACD is still slightly holding a weak signal and the RSI is buckling. Therefore, we could see a test back towards the support region around 39.5 and reassess. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And hope you enjoy the rest of the day.